Hidden in a clearing, a pile of sturdy bricks caught the eldest sibling's eye, a spark of realization lighting up his face. The wolf, with a determined glint.
This is a children's story channel that many children love very much. Hottest videos lion and mouse story. You never thought of it. His videos have been viewed more than 38 million times. Test and evaluate through Social Blade. Revenue from this channel. Achieve $38,000 monthly passive income. Just a conservative estimate of earnings. Earn $460,000 a year in advertising revenue. We know these animated stories for children. If you don't have professional creative ability, you can't do it. Daunting. But we can use AI tools. You can also create simple animated story videos. Earn advertising revenue through YouTube. Stop bullshitting. Start sharing today now. I am Timmy. My channel mainly shares topics related to making money. We'll do a story like this one about the 3 little pigs. Saw this video has 90 million views. We can write AI copywriting through Chat GPT. I want him to write a story about the 3 little pigs that is suitable for children aged 5 to 7 years old. You can see Chat GPT, he wrote a very complete 3 little pigs. How he built his house. The complete story of the entire process. Just copy and paste to make it. Second question. I want him to provide the names of these 3 little pigs and their appearance and personality traits. Please describe to me the names of these 3 little pigs. The first, Curly. The second, Fluffy. The third, Snout. The personality characteristics of these 3 little pigs can help me create. We come to the AI toolbox. Found here, this is an AI video, a website where you can create videos from text. First, log into this website. If you don't have an account yet, you can fill in your name, email, password creation. I have already created. I can log in with my Google account. Enter the website backend. On the left, you see a story creation tool. Let's click to open this story creation. Let's create a new story. A create story in the upper right corner. If you have already created good copy, I can go through the story on the right. Can come and create. But if you don't have story copy, you can use the first method, because I have already written the copy. So I will use the second method. I chose a children's story. I already had the names of the 3 little pigs. I just need to put their Chat GPT, copy his name, and a description of the first little pig. I just need to copy this content. Same method. The second is the little pig. That is, as long as you know how to copy and paste, you can make these animated videos. The third one did the same thing. We need to take the copywriting story we just wrote, copy it, paste the entire content here. Now we just need to click to start creating this story. We chose the 16:9 ratio. It provides the style of story you want to do. Which type do I like? Cartoon. If you like which feature, which template do you choose? Click to continue creating. We have seen that the character for this video has been created. We can continue to choose, allowing him to recreate a character. You can hear. Click to reacquire a new role. Thus he generates a new character picture. You can choose what you like. This pink pig. Then proceed to the next step. Continue creating this story. A few minutes later, he was already generated. We can browse these pictures. If you browse through some things that you think, pictures I don't like very much, we can also see that there is another picture on the left. You can also choose. After clicking on this picture, you can choose any one you like. We have already prepared these pictures. We can click to open and see. This is a video reading. The content may be modified. Of course, if you are still not satisfied with this picture, we can also immediately click it to generate a new one. Very convenient. We see the content of the first picture. We can click to regenerate a picture. Generate multiple pictures for you to choose from. After we all adjust, we can continue to export the video. The button in the upper right corner is to export the video. Did you see this video? The process of generating now. Just need to wait for about 1 to 5 minutes. Already generated video. We can preview it.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village, 3 piglet siblings embarked on a building adventure. Unbeknownst to the piglets, a fierce predator approached, threatening their newfound homes. The wolf, hungry for a feast, loomed over the flimsy houses, his hunger growing with each passing moment. Determined to outwit the looming danger, each piglet toiled tirelessly, building their homes with all their might. With a mighty huff and a powerful puff, the wolf shattered the fragile houses, but the sturdy brick house stood strong against his fury. In a clever move, the piglets plotted and lured the wolf towards the unyielding brick fortress, their plan taking shape. Foiled in his malicious intent, the wolf stood defeated before the impenetrable walls, his hunger turning to ire. Celebrations echoed through the village as the piglets reveled in their hard-earned victory, safe within the walls of their sturdy abode. With defeat heavy on his heart, the wolf retreated into the shadows, vanquished by the wit and resilience of the clever piglets.
We come to the second method. Continue to click on the video to create a story. Then click above to create a new video. Select the first option. It helps us start creating a video. What type of people are your audience here? Here we are for children. There is a child here about 6 years old. What was the purpose of his request to write this story? Choose to cultivate children's perseverance. I think this is a story created for children. He asked if you had any thoughts on the story. What I filled in here is, I want to make a story about the 3 little pigs, and it's for children aged 5 to 7 years old. Then start creating. You can see that it was created very quickly here. Give names to the 3 characters, and as personality description, we just need to click Create this story, or choose the 16:9 ratio. Which template type do you choose next? This time let's create a 3D cartoon template. See what the effect is. Good! He made the characters of the 3 little pigs. When we just did, it's true that there are no 3 characters. So this is also a problem with the website. You can try it a few more times and take a look. You can see there is something wrong with this character here. Unsatisfied characters can be regenerated. Click again. Generate a new role. Can you choose a better one? It's obvious that the new character pictures are much better. I will choose this image. Go ahead and generate this video. Let's see what the effect is like. The picture has been generated. We can click on some pictures we like. After choosing, go ahead and click Next. Export it and see how it looks.
In a quaint village nestled in the heart of Canada, 3 young siblings lived in homes made of straw and sticks. A fearsome wolf with eyes gleaming in the sunlight huffed and puffed, trying to blow down the straw house. With a mighty gust of wind, the straw house crumbled to the ground, leaving the 3 siblings in shock and fear. The eldest sibling, his brow furrowed in determination, held a straw in his hand, frustration evident in his eyes. With gentle smiles and comforting words, the 2 younger siblings stood by their brother, offering unwavering support and encouragement. Hidden in a clearing, a pile of sturdy bricks caught the eldest sibling's eye, a spark of realization lighting up his face. The wolf, with a determined glint in its eye, returned to the village, heading towards the newly built brick house. Despite the wolf's furious blows, the brick house stood tall and unyielding, a testament to the pig's hard work and perseverance. Defeated and with drooped shoulders, the wolf turned away, accepting its failure to bring down the resilient brick house. The siblings celebrated their victory with the cheering villagers, inspired by the lesson of hard work and persistence taught by Oliver, Emily, and Liam.
If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.